Hello friends, it's Ratan here. Today I am going to introduce you with a great opportunity for the Brave browser user. Those who are not using Brave browser is missing this big opportunity because Brave browser provide you a great opportunity to make money online as a free member. So you can earn for using Brave browser. You can see I am getting approx 22.8 Bitcoin, approx $5 of Bitcoin free for using the Brave browser. But instead of that, if you are a Brave browser user, you can use some other big earning opportunity that provided by this company also. So I am going to introduce you with a big company, BlockFi, which pays you approx $15 bonus for just depositing your Bitcoin and letting it hold in that wallet. So BlockFi is one of the strong company. I came across this company once on the date of the first they started to promote, but I was doing some research before promoting it because I want to make sure that it is a legal company and not a single of my team member get any of the fund loss in this company. So I had done my research and what I found is quite amazing. If you are a Brave browser, you can earn up to 8.6% per year for holding your crypto. You can hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDT, GUSD, and packs to work. For Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are paying up to 8.6% and LTC. For other cryptocurrency like USDC, GUSD, and PIX, they are paying up to 6%, from 3 to 6%. So you can use this site. You will get the link of this company in the description of this video. Simply register your account, and once you refer someone, you will also get up to $15 for each registered member, because this is the promotional offer for this company right now. So you can refer member to use this BlockFi site, so that once they start using it, you will start getting quite good amount of money from this company. So suppose how you will make money. I am going to talk about you are joining this site to make money. So how you will make money? So to make money, what you need to do, you need to refer people to deposit on this site. Once they deposit, they will going to earn yearly 8.6%. And suppose they are depositing $100, then you are getting 10% of what they are earning, as much as they are using this account to hold their cryptocurrency. That means if you referred someone and that referred person earn $100, you are getting $10 as a referral commission. So this is quite good company. So you can see the company over here. It's basically provide a interest account and a loan account. It's just act as the same like a bank, that you had seen many bank provide you interest and loan. Same way this company come across for the cryptocurrency. You you can earn here compound interest, institutional banking, interest paid in crypto. So they are in very diversified portfolio. So it's a BlockFi is a wealth management program provided. You can earn interest, borrow USD, trade cryptocurrency. That is what they provide. So what you need to do, simply deposit your fund and let it hold for 1 year. For keeping your fund in this account, you are getting up to 8.6% per year, and it is safe. So without any hesitation, anybody can use this, because most of the program, once someone go into some investment program, the fund loss is very much high. So here it's just like gone by US federal authorities. which is running the site, so you can make good profit from here. Those who are not want to take risk, they can come on BlockFi and invest their cryptocurrency over here and earn 8.6% per year for holding the cryptocurrency. So this is quite amazing program, and you must be a Brave browser user to be on BlockFi customer to earn the interest and get the loan in cryptocurrency. And you can, if you want to contact, their offices are located in New Jersey, and you can see the contact details. And if you want to talk, you can talk on support@blockfi.com also. So this is quite good company. So simply you need to click on get started, register your account, verify your account, and upload your identification, and then simply sign into your account. So let me show you the dashboard also. So once you sign in, you have different options. You can deposit, withdraw, trade, and take loan from this company. So but before all those things, refer a friend, you need to verify your account. So go into your profile setting and upload your identification. Once you are uploaded your identification, you can use your refer a friend section to use your referral link to invite your friends. And once your refer person deposit $100 of Bitcoin and hold in this, you will get up to $10 referral commission. So let me show you the detailed earning process of invite friend get free crypto for inviting your friends. So how refer a friend program works: when you send a friend referral code and they sign up with your link, you receive an account and made the minimum required deposit to earn interest. So you will earn 10% of the interest they earn as long as their deposit stay in their account. That 10% in additional to their interest. For example, if your friend earns $100 in their crypto deposit, you will earn $10 in addition to their payout. So if your friend takes out a loan, you will receive $50. That means if you have referred someone and he don't have money to do something, some business or some investment, and he want to take loan, and if he took loan from this BlockFi company, you are getting $50 of whatever amount he is getting as a loan. That means you are getting approx 0.10% of the amount that person is taking as a loan from this company. So first thing, you need to sign into the BlockFi account. So simply go into the description of this video, register your account, then add verify your account. Once you are verified your account, you can use refer a friend, and once you refer a friend, got register and deposit any fund or take loan, you are getting up to 10% on their referral commission. That is quite good for a free seeker to make money. So you can work as an affiliate in this company and make money. You will see total earned referral at beginning of each month. So I am going to start promoting this company for my freebie seeker members who don't have money to invest. You can use this company to promote and earn quite good passive income for building team from this company of investor also, because you will find lots of members are looking for good stable company where their fund do not get lost and they will make consistent earning from their investments. So here they can invest as much they can wish, and their institutional service wide client first, they can you can see about the product details, interest account, crypto loans, trading institutions. That means client first, we are dedicated to client centric approach across our product offering and service. Our products are tailored toward each institution strategy, and we are positioned to evolve alongside clients. Strategic partners, sources of client lending, hedging structure, and so you can read all details. Pioneer approach or by industry leaders. So Rene Van Kesten is CRO, head of institutional service. So you can go through that and start using it as a you can use it as a crypto bank also. You can put your cryptocurrency here and earn 8.6% per year. That quite good. Deposit Bitcoin, deposit Ethereum, deposit USD, deposit Litecoin, deposit PAX, deposit USD, and if you want, you can use it, apply for a loan. And if you are holding your cryptocurrency and you want to sell, you can do it here also. You can sell your cryptocurrency on your desired price in the trade section. So you can do this here, how much cryptocurrency you want to trade. So this is quite good for a newbie or a affiliate marketer who want to make money in cryptocurrency and don't have money to invest. They can earn money by inviting the investor to hold their cryptocurrency and earn a passive income from BlockFi. So click the link, and those who don't know about Brave browser, you can watch my video how to earn free money from Brave browser. I will put the link of that video in the description of this video also. So make sure you download Brave browser first. Once you have downloaded the Brave browser, what you need to do, you need to register on your BlockFi account, verify account, and start referring friend to invest in this company. Once they start investing and start earning, you are getting 10% referral commission on their each deposit, and each earning they are earning and making payout, you are getting 10% referral commission. And in promotional offer, they are right now giving $15. So this is the quite high time to earn up to 8.6% annually on your crypto. So if you are an investor watching this, you can blindly put your money over here and earn annual commission 8.6%. So you will get the link in the description of this video. And if you are getting any problem, you can also contact me on Facebook. Simply type engineer Ratan Kumar Anku or hashtag coach Ratan and message me over there. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel also, so that you keep getting more and more strong long-term passive earning opportunity which will make you financially free. So subscribe to my channel, and thank you. God bless. Bye bye.